Hey there, folks. You want to know why I'm whispering, man? Let me show you. I made a new friend over here in Arches, man. This is unbelievable. I mean, getting outside your comfort zone, getting out in nature. I mean, look at this. It doesn't even seem like Earth. And the incredible thing is, it's actually sad that this doesn't seem like Earth, because this is the closest to Earth that we have, man. Mother Nature, the wilderness, a deer eating a tree, eating some shrubs in the middle of the most incredible canyons and arches you could imagine. I always say that Utah is the most underrated state in the United States, man. I hope y'all have a great time. I just wanted to share this little moment of magic with y'all.